Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change out the door lock assembly on a Samsung front load washing machine. So it's pretty quick and pretty easy. You're going to want to first open up your door here and run your finger across the bottom of this diaphragm until you kind of feel like a little bit of a groove. It should be right at about 7:30, 8 o'clock ish. And you're going to want to take your screwdriver here, kind of lift this up, and there's going to be a spring right underneath here. That spring is where you're going to want to get under with your screwdriver, and you're going to now pull this whole ring off of there. Okay, so just set this off to the side real quick, make sure nothing happens to it, and you can simply pull the diaphragm off of the side of the washing machine. So now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need your screwdriver. I always take my hand, kind of put it in on the back side here to support it. I take out this screw here. There'll be one down here on the bottom. Take that one out. And now you can take this one out. All right. So again, like I said, you can have your hand on the back side of here and just kind of pull it out there, and you're able to expose the wire harness. Now on here there's a like a protective kind of backing. This can just pop off of here. There's a couple of tabs. Just be really careful with your wire harness here. You don't want to cause any issues with that, because that can cause, you know, obviously other issues. So we're going to take this tab there, we're going to pull on this tab here. You can see that it's nice and getting loose there. Take our hand down around on that one. We can take this piece, kind of put it off to the side. We're going to take our wire harness off of there, wire harness off of there, and there. So they're all specific where they go on here, and so we don't have to worry about that. Now you grab your new lock assembly. Plug that one in, plug that one in, plug that one in. Now we're going to grab our piece that we have here. Simply set that lock back into place. This side actually has to go right there. This little piece goes on this side here. So we've got that. Get it all nice and snapped back in. Put our wire harness back into our holder here. Okay, so we're good to go there. All snapped in. And now we can have our lock back on here. Now you just simply hold it, support it, bring in your tool here, get one screw in here. Got that one. We'll put another one down here. And we'll put this one up here. Some people don't know what this is. That's actually your door sensing switch. So we take our diaphragm. Some people call it a diaphragm, some people call it a bellow, whatever. Make sure that it's all good to go and in its groove there. And then we're going to simply take our wire. And I always try to start it over on that side, and then I just bring my thumb down. Usually I can get this pretty easy. You just make sure that your wire snaps back in, just like that. Okay, good to go. Got my spring back in order. Make sure that it's all nice and where it needs to be. Yep, there we go. Got it good to go. And now we've just replaced the door lock on a Samsung front load washing machine.